Hi everyone, it's Anne Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a small project share. I'm getting ready to package this challenge entry to Cynthia, who is Disco Dolly 456. She's hosting a birthday challenge on her Instagram page, and I'll leave a link down below. I am super excited to just send some happy mail her way and for her birthday nonetheless. So it's just a perfect way to say I heart you, boo. So let me get started on the project share, and her requirements were a memory dex card and a embellishment box, and I've done the two, so I just want to show you what I've created. So I'm still on that Marigold kick, and I love how this came out. It's really simple. This is one of those Walmart blue containers. I even put a sticker on the bottom just in case, because I'm sure she's getting a ton of entries, and I probably shouldn't have flipped it upside down, but it's such a cute little container and it fits a ton. So I cut out a bunch of these gold deers with my Cricut, and you know, it's perfect with anything Maggie Holmes. I just like hers peeking out from the sun, and again, everyone has to have a bow. It's just like a requirement. And I just did a little, I used one of those thicker kind of banners that I've been obsessed with. I did a little ruffle trim on the bottom. Here's a resin piece that I created, and I used some of that flocked Dollar Tree trim on top of this beautiful floral paper. I just wanted a little texture, some Prima flowers, and I think it's so cute. And here's just a quick glimpse of what's inside. Here's the lid. I just lined the inside as well. A bunch of pretties that's going her way. And I want to show you my card. Here's my card. So I am not a card maker, and I probably said this a few times on my channel. The whole card thing is just not for me, but I love these pre-made Maggie Holmes card, because all you need is ephemera, some chipboard, and whatever you want to add to this. So here I just wrote, I must have flowers always and always, you know, and I just stitched. Here's another resin piece from my, from that floral mold from Prima. Some gemmies, that banner I'm so obsessed with right now, and some ruffle that I did with some trim. Let's get together. And here is my little memory dex tag. So I am using this KS Craft tag die. I love this thing. It is beautiful. It has all of these little scallop details, and this is the pocket that comes with it. So this is what this looks like. I just took that top layering piece and I just zigzag stitched it, and just take out the memory decks. This I showed in my Buttons Galore and More design team project share. Again, she is stunning. I hope Cynthia does love my project. Something fly? No. Okay, sorry. I just want to make sure everything's good. Okay, I have some charms. Here's that beautiful sequence on the back. But I wanted to make a, oh, I know why. I wanted to make a holder to hold my memory dex card. I didn't want to just send it in like a plastic bag. So here is some beautiful seam binding. I needed to incorporate some mint. It was just too pink for me. And that pink leafy trim that Janae reminded me that I need to use. Again, that deer with my Cricut that I had cut a bunch of. Again, she's wearing a pink bow. I have this layered up wreath that again I cut with my Cricut. This banner, and I just stitched this on the side, and I just added some bling because I've been obsessed. I also tucked in this little pear chipboard from the Marigold collection. You can't see it, but, and I don't know why I blinged the whole thing. I even stitched all of the leaves and then I covered it up. So like all that work that goes into this, you know, it's there, and I know I did it, but I have a tendency to cover it up and it kills me a little bit. But anyways, that is it for my project share, you guys. I hope you go and support Cynthia, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.